How to buy property at an auction. Okay, so in this video we're going to go through how you can find properties at an auction and how you can buy, what the process is, what you need to do in order to bid and hopefully be successful. You've decided you want to go to a property auction and see if you can get any bargains, okay? Now, there aren't as many as there were years ago, I will warn you. The reason they're getting less and less is because more and more people are watching property programs on the TV and they all want to go along and get a slice of the action. The first thing you need to do is go to the website and download the property auction catalogue. That will tell you every property that they've got coming up in their next auction, okay? You can then go through and see what takes your fancy. You can do your research, you could go and drive by and have a look at the property that you like. If you actually want to go and view, you would call up the auctioneer and say that you want to go and view this property. They would then give you a particular day when they have what we call block viewings. So it's like an open day where anybody that's interested goes along and views the property. So first of all, you want the catalogue. Second thing is that you will go and view. Let's just say that it's normal times, hopefully they'll come back soon. Okay. On the day of the auction, you would take along your passport or driving license. They will then give you a paddle, and that's got a number on it, so that's what you bid with. You hold the paddle up and you bid with it. Okay. If you are successful at winning the bid, on that day, you have to pay a 10% deposit. So effectively, when the hammer goes down, you have just exchanged contracts with the seller, okay? So it's exactly the same as going through the legal process with a solicitor on a regular purchase and then exchanging contracts. The only difference is you've just exchanged contracts as soon as that hammer comes down. So you're now legally bound to pay 10% of the transaction value, whether you buy it or not. You then will go and see the clerk around the outside of the room, and you will then go and pay your 10% deposit, and then you will get given a legal pack with all the information in. You will then instruct your solicitors, and then you have 28 days to complete. Okay, so completion, 28 days. So I would say, I can't stress how important it is that before you go and bid on any property, please make sure that you've got your finance in place. I've seen too many people that have won. When the hammer comes down, they've paid 10% and then they can't get the remaining 90% to buy the property. Okay, so you're either going to need to make sure you've got cash available or you've physically got a loan or something in place to enable you to complete on that transaction. I would even go as far as to say that if you've got a mortgage offer, don't use it, because if that offer gets revoked in between the hammer and 28 days later, you'll still lose your 10% deposit. Okay, so make sure you've got cash or a loan or wherever it may be ready to buy that property. So happy hunting and good luck at the auction. All that leaves me to say is don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you on the next video.